So this video is about functions and the difference between a single astrix in front of a function's parameter and using a double astrix in front of a function's parameter. So if I put a single astrix, Python will interpret that to mean a tuple. Python will produce a tuple. So in this function here that I've called sandwich, the function prints the ingredients of a sandwich. It then prints the statement, the sandwich has the following ingredients. And then it does a for loop for each ingredient in the ingredients, which links back to the parameter. Print the ingredient. So when I call the function, I can actually pass as many arguments like ham, cheese, tomato, and alfalfa. I can pass 1,000 arguments, or no argument, or 2 arguments, or 5 arguments, or 4 arguments. I can pass as many arguments as I like to the sandwich function because I've put a astrix in front of the parameter ingredients. So when I run this particular function, this code, we get to see the sandwich has the following ingredients: ham, cheese, tomato, alfalfa. That's the first time I've called it. The second time I've called the function sandwich, it produces the sandwich has the following ingredients: Vegemite, margarine, and so on. Cucumber, roast. The sandwich has the following ingredients: cucumber, roast pork. So the thing to note also with this is the type of ingredients, or the type that Python produces when you put a single asterisk in front is a tuple. Is a tuple, not a list, not a dictionary. It's a tuple. Now, in this piece of code here, notice how I've put 2 asterisks in front of the parameter user info. Python will read keyword arguments or positional arguments first. So in this instance, first and last are the first 2 parameters. You need to put your single asterisk, which will make a tuple, and your double asterisk, which will make, as you'll see, a dictionary, at the end of the parameters. So if I had first, last, middle, citizenship, height, weight, and then I wanted to do a double asterisk or a single asterisk, that last single or double asterisk parameter must be at the end of the parameters that you use. So let's getting back to the main point of this video. A single asterisk in front of a parameter will produce a tuple and enable me to insert as many arguments as I like into the asterisk ingredients parameter tuple. But a double asterisk will actually do the same thing, except it will produce, except Python will interpret it as a dictionary. So it'll actually make a dictionary. So I'll just run this code, and you can see we have a dictionary here. Location's a key, Spain's a value, skill is a key, motorcycle is a value. Some people will say name, value, name, value, name, value, name, value. You can also use key instead of name. I prefer to use key. Key, value, key, value, key, value, key, value. Same thing, just different words. They do the same thing. So in this function here, build profile, there's two parameters, and then there's, at the end, there's the double astrix user info parameter, which will produce a dictionary. Build a dictionary containing everything we know about a user. So here, notice how I've had to point that parameter first and last to a dictionary object. I've had to do that because first and last, they're just parameters. They're not tied to anything. So I've got to put them, I want to put them into the, I want Python to produce first and last as key value, as pairs, and put them also into the dictionary. So that's why I've put user info, right? Then the key, and I've pointed that like pair to the word first. This pair is going to that variable last. You'll see what I mean. Then I return the user info. So user profile equals build profile. So I'm calling the function, and I'm inserting Johan and then Mia, because that is the first parameter. Johan's the first parameter, and Mia is the second parameter, which when they print out will produce a dictionary, because I've pointed last to a dictionary here, and last name's the keyword. Last is the value, last name is the keyword. So here, last name is the value, and last name is the keyword, is the key, and Mia is the value. And then location. So this is where you can add whatever you want in here. So this part here, the double asterisk, means that I can keep on adding to my dictionary. I could add key, which is location, equals Spain, the value, skill, motorcycles, and I can keep on adding as many pairs in the dictionary as I like. So for example, I'll add another one here. Manufacturer equals Suzuki. Johan Mir is a MotoGP motorcycle rider. If I run that, it'll add as many as I like, and I'll just keep on going. So here I've got manufacturer Suzuki. Now as for ordering the dictionary, in some sort of logical order. There's methods and other ways you can do that, but I won't go into that in this video. So, but yeah, that's the difference. A double astrix will produce a dictionary. A single astrix will produce a tuple. You can then write as many you can expand your list to as many items as you want in the tuple, or as many pairs as you want in the dictionary.